Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to back up and restore Steam games. So, let's get started. First things first, find the game you want to back up. Right-click the game and select Properties. This time, let's create a backup. Click on Installed Files, then select Backup Game Files. Click Browse and choose a location to save your backup. After that, click Create Backup, then wait for the backup process to complete. Now, let's verify the backup. Open the backup folder to check the save files. This time, let's restore your Steam games. Open Steam's Restore feature. Click on Steam in the upper left corner of your screen, then select Restore Game Backup. Click Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved the backup. Next, select the backup folder. Click Restore Backup, then click Install, and Steam will restore your game files. So, that's how to back up and restore your Steam games effortlessly. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.